Alright. Alright. Let's turn off that alarm. Wait, I don't know. I don't own an alarm clock. Yeah, that's doable. Alright, let's get this stuff packed up. Huh. Oh wow, I can't believe that worked. Ah, god damn it. Alright. Alright. Let's open up.
And then the rest of your computer is
See
here.
anything back there?
What's that?
You see that right there? Do you want to hold on to that?
This?
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. This is the beauty.
It's the
beauty.
you can take it out of the bag. Look at that.
CPU's in.
The CPU's in. Spray this on there. Now
I'm
really excited. 32 gigs. An i9. Base is 3.5 gigahertz, but can go
3.8, I think. 3.6, 3.8. I think.
And we have my SSD behind there.
3.6. Yep. Two SSD right underneath the shield.
And then this guy, which will, do whatever. Look at okay. I want to show you just how bad this case is. All right. Look at that. I want you to look at that and cry.
Oh my god.
It is not even screwed in. You know why?
Because you lost it?
No, because if I try to put it in, it won't go in. It doesn't line up at all.
What?
Like seriously, it does not line up at all.
That's a ripoff.
The screws don't line up at all, and if I try to put it in, it'll just put so much stress on the board. I am not joking. Huh? Is that the Macy's Day Parade? Why is that on?
I don't know. That's not about a computer.
All right, what's that?
This is your bracket that we're going to use for your Core Series processor.
Fantastic.
This is the Intel one.
Fantastic. Well, let's take a good look at the at this boy right here. Look at this. Look at this.
That is a 115i Pro RGB. That is a...
Every single one of these has the sticker or the protective glass
because they
thing you can peel off. Yeah, it's so satisfying, and I can't wait to pull this one off of the case because holy shit.
Oh, that should be the final one.
That'll be the final one.
That should be the final one.
That'll be the final one. This came with a lot of stickers. Look at that. What am I gonna do with all those stickers? Okay, so we have the bracket, right?
We do have the bracket.
Put the bracket on.
Okay. It's in.
It's not in. We need the axe.
I think it needs more screws.
Yeah, we need to put in more. Here, I think you could use a. I think you could.
Yeah, here. Let me see that.
Yeah, that could probably work.
Here, let's just.
Yeah. Cut it into pieces. That way we can make it more efficient. You know, one works faster than the other.
I mean, yeah. At this point, if you cut holes out, there's less it needs to be cooled down.
No. So, yeah, of course. So we don't even need this. Why spend that money?
Yeah. Have to lightly screw in the cooler. Just go.
We have a lot of extra screws here. Look at that. Look at this.
That is so nice.
I think you're just paying $500 for
The box?
the box, honestly.
Probably.
I mean, as cool as it is.
It's in.
It's in. That's what you said.
And it's ready to fall out.
Wonderful.
Hold on a second. We might have slightly done something wrong, but not in a bad way. Do we have another SATA cable we could use instead of this one?
Why?
This one is L bracket.
You don't like it?
It won't be easy to get in.
Cable management's done, right?
Kind of.
Let's fucking eat. I'm hungry.
You want to test this? Do you want to press the button? It should work.
Which one's the power button? Okay.
Which one's the power button?
Okay.
We just built this and everything. We don't even
You
know
ready?
what the power button is. Yeah, oh god.
What happened?
Oh. There we go. Scared the shit out of me.
Oh yeah, we definitely need to mess with the light controls.
What?
Something's... Is it trying to run through all the systems or something?
Maybe. Oh.
Oh?
Life.
Life?
Life!
Life! Huh? Let me
Oh.
see.
Yes!
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 Yes, the error screen!
Yes!
I wonder what the hell it was doing there. That freaked the shit out of me.
I
'cause I've
think
never seen-
it was trying to go through like his first time run through.
Maybe.
Honestly, maybe. Cat, get out of here. You're not allowed. Everything's
It
working.
wants to boot into your SSD.
It wants to boot into the fastest drive.
It does, but it doesn't have a boot drive, does it?
No. So
That's fine.
so do we get back to cable management now?
Yes. Windows Update. It took so long we decided to install Windows XP.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Windows XP. So the time is currently... What time is it? What time is it?
It is 8:52.
8:52. And what are we doing right now?
We are updating the BIOS.
Now, why are we updating the BIOS?
Just in case there are any features that you are missing that you will need.
Before we do what?
Overclock.
What are we doing?
We're gonna overclock. We're gonna overclock this bitch to
We're gonna-
5 gigahertz all cores.
We're gonna overclock this bitch. And possibly kill this bitch. The computer's name is Barry.
Barry Allen, I'm the fastest man alive.
Because he's fast.
I can go faster!
Like the Flash.
I'm the Flash.
Get it?
Just don't die.
Just don't die. Hey. We don't gotta do that. I think that's the first like emoticon that I've seen on this computer.
That is entirely the
And it's not a frown because of a blue screen.
That's true.
That is a big step up. So the final thing is a stress test.
Yeah. And it doesn't stop until we tell it to.
It doesn't stop until we tell it to?
Nope.
Stop. It didn't do anything. Check it.
You want to say something about this before we... Like,
I'll give it to you.
maybe just come out of nowhere with this.
Look, listen. This thing was an $800 build when it first became my thing. But as times change, this thing has devolved into a $70 build, and most of it was because of the case. The motherboard inside of this thing is so outdated we couldn't even upgrade BIOS, and because we couldn't upgrade BIOS, Windows decided, hey, this isn't even really a fucking computer. So it just crashed on every single one of the feature updates, which means I would have to change and update and restart my computer from scratch. Reinstall Windows. This cat knows what's going to happen. And I've gotten angry at this thing for so long. So long. And now that there's absolutely no use for it, maybe some of the motherboard in there, but right here, this case is worth nothing. You know, it's just... Close your eyes. Oh, look at all that dust that came out. Wait, one more.
One more?
One more, right down here. It's so fucking therapeutic.
Alright, so we ran into some problems with overclocking, and the only way to get around those problems with overclocking was to actually upgrade the operating system. So, what we did was, we upgraded to Windows XP.
You know, like, it's still open right there. Alright, so. What time is it? 10:15 p.m.? You think we're done?
I think we're done. We are done. We are done.
No,
we stress test.
No, we can't be done.
We
We can't be done. We've been here forever. We got to do more somehow, right?
all right. Let's reinstall the operating system again.
Fuck. This is horrible. The only grip I have is on this side.
There's no grip on the other side.
No, so I have to hold it like this, which is fine.
That's slightly unfortunate.
Yeah. Let's take it to my car. Hey, would you mind getting the door for me? 'Cause
Sure.
you have more hands than I do.
Do I? That's unfortunate. Oh.
Hey, would you mind getting the door for me? 'Cause
There you
you
go.
have,
Now you
you
can
have
just push it.
Ah. I thought the seatbelt thing worked for a second.
Did it not?
No. But I don't think it's gonna fly forward anytime soon. This thing is heavy.
It shouldn't.
It's sitting back. So, we'll take that camera back. Thank you, my friend.
Not a problem. It's good working with you again.
Jesus. Can't do shit. Alright, man. I will see you and talk to you later.
Sounds good.
You
Stop
have
by again.
Stop by. I will probably stop by if my thing is having issues.
Okay.
But other than that,
No
man,
problem.
I will see you
I will see you.
later, dude.
See you.
All right. Let's go home. All right. Let's take you inside, buddy. Now that it's here, I can pull off the. I can. Look at this baby. It's all set up. Look, okay. Just gotta get through this, okay? GTX 1050 Ti. That's a pretty good card. Gotta say that. You know? 32 gigs of RAM. Great. A $500 i9 processor. And an SSD. I can do so much on here. I can do so much on here.